from the time that you were declared as Muntinlupa's MEPH rep, to when you were on the actual national pageant stage already, what served as the foundation for your run? Kumbaga, ano yung why mo for entering the pageant?
Every time I enter something, I enter with intention and purpose. Always. Hindi ako papasok sa isang bagay na hindi ko alam bakit ako nandun. And my intention was clearly that, even if you're a mother or anybody or a wife or just someone who has big dreams, that it will always be valid. Lagi ko namang sinasabi yan. So my intention was to send the message to everybody na kahit kaming mga mommies, hindi lang kami basta-basta, hindi lang kami basta sa bahay. It doesn't mean that we have to give a pause to ourselves. So that was my purpose, joining Miss Universe Philippines. Because, di ba sabi nila sa amin na pag sumali ka dyan, hindi ka naman mananalo, hindi ka naman deserving, ganyan-ganyan. So for me, I had that in the back of my head na parang, no, whatever hat we want to wear, kaya naming suotin. Hindi dahil mommy kami kailangan, ito lang kami.
Mm-mm.
And I hope I did that. I wore the crown of courage, like I said in my post. And I'm just so happy kasi after the pageant, ang dami kong nakuhang DMs and even messages sa fan page ko from mothers. And doon ako naiyak actually. Hindi dahil hindi ako nanalo ng crown. Kasi I was happy naman where I am. Doon ako naiyak na sabi ko, thank you God. At least the message that I want to send to everybody because of joining this pageant, nagawa ko.
Mm-mm.
And sana tumatak yun sa pageantry kahit pa paano.